Hi, this is Vijay. Welcome to this channel. So in this video, I am going to discuss about certain stocks in the FMCG segment, which will give you money in the market, as well as is it okay to take these stocks for long-term investment. So the first question is it possible to trade these FMCG stocks in the market? Means okay, it is well and good, you can trade. But if anyone take a decision of buying these stocks and making these stocks for long-term holding, long-term wealth making, now a big question arises. Here I differ from the uh, opinion of what people are concerned with these FMCG stocks. So here I have a list the FMCG stocks like ITC, Hind Unilever, Marico, and Britannia. So these are the predominant stocks in this category, FMCG category. Normally, what people will do for long-term wealth making to buy these stocks, and people used to call these stocks are the safer stocks than other stocks, because when a person is worrying about his investment during situation like lockdown, or during situation like war crisis or any other economic crisis, people go for these kind of investments. But my view is, when your life is put up in a big question mark due to the COVID-19 and other pandemic situation, and of course if the lockdown situation make worsen, if the crisis goes beyond the level, because recently the Mumbai chief minister is called for a all party meeting, and he hinted that severe lockdown may be happen in his state. And moreover, in Delhi also there will be a severe lockdown. The channel newses are spreading like severe lockdown may happen in Delhi also. So this may spread across the country. In such a case, in such situation, one should not take these passive, steady stocks like FMCG for long-term wealth making. When your life is threatened, there is no point of making investment for long-term. There is no point of long-term. So everything is short-term. So what I suggest, in this juncture, in this situation, one can consider buying gold and keeping money on gold. This is also partly not a wise decision, because of dollar fluctuation. The gold price may a little bit get affected. Otherwise, one may go for mutual funds, but mutual funds are not safe. Recently, you might have heard about this Franklin Templeton disaster. Or otherwise, someone may go for ETFs, exchange traded fund like Nifty ETF or Bank Nifty ETF or Gold ETF. Gold ETF and Nifty ETF are good. And what I am suggesting you, this kind of situation, one has to do a smarter move to make his investment with the enhanced return mode. So for this, I always suggest keep a smaller portion on risky investments like trading with stock option and trading with index options, either on intraday basis or a short-term holding basis. With respect to index options like Nifty option and Bank Nifty option, it is not possible to hold for long time, because these are weekly products. So one can trade with Nifty option or Bank Nifty option only on Mondays, Tuesdays, and forenoon on Wednesdays and Fridays. There is no point in trading on Thursdays, because Thursdays being expiry day. Only ultra risk taking people can do option writing on Thursdays. So this is about the index options. And stock option, if you are well and good, if you are taking a risk, if you are sure about the direction of the market, direction of the stock, you can go with the stock option, because it's a monthly product, monthly expiry product. So other portion of money, what you can do not buy these kind of FMCG stocks and put up for long-term holding. Instead of going for that, identify the emerging technology, identify the new technology like IoT, Internet of Things and all. So try to find out, is there any penny stocks are available. Penny stocks, what I mean to say that stocks priced between 5 paise to 20 rupees. If such kind of stocks are available in these categories, well and good, buy and hold it for a long time, say about 5 years, 10 years, 20 years, 25 years, etc. If not, identify a smaller price stock like penny stocks, buy these penny stocks for you for your long time, for your wards. So this is what I can suggest you for this kind of lockdown period, this kind of crisis period. Even all this kind of COVID-19 crisis will be over. We may have to face like an economic crisis after this crisis. So in such a situation, it is wise, it is smart to trade on daily basis, to trade on weekly basis, particularly in option segment. I prefer option segment, stock option as well as Nifty index options. So if at all you want to have any trading tips, you can subscribe to Bull Street Casino Online Trading Tips magazine. And in our another channel, we have a super fans option in which we give penny level option trading tips and penny equity stocks tips and highly speculative stock information through WhatsApp. So you can, if you are interested, you can go and find out such facilities available with us. So thank you very much. I am Vijay.